Next problem under bills of exchange is now write down the problem is Vishwanath draws a bill Vishwanath draws a bill on Jagannath for rupees 1400 for 4 months. 1400 for 4 months, which is accepted by Jagannath, which is accepted by Jagannath Vishwanath discounts the same for rupees 1393 and maturity Jagannath fails to honor the bill, and request Vishwanath to draw a new bill for 4 months for the original amount of the bill plus interest at 5% per annum plus discount charges Vishwanath agrees to the proposal. Make journal entries. In the books of Vishwanath, in the books of Vishwanath and Jagannath. Okay, now we will write the journal entries. Once again, see the problem. Okay, what are the two parties, Vishwanath and Jagannath? Okay, Vishwanath draws a bill on Jagannath for how much amount? For rupees 1400. For how many months? For 4 months. So, which is accepted by the Jagannath, which is accepted by the Jagannath, and Vishwanath discount the same for rupees 1393 on maturity. Okay, so he immediately wants the money. So what the he person did? That person keeps that bill with the bank. Okay, the bank will give the amount is 1393. Okay, next is, and remaining amount is discount unmatched day. And up to at the end of the 4 months, Jagannath failed to honor the bill. Okay, he did not pay the bill, and Jagannath requests to Vishwant to draw a new bill. Okay, to cancel the total bill and to draw a new bill for rupees 4 for 4 months. Okay, with this amount for the extending period. So for that extending period, how much is the rate of interest? To draw a new bill for 4 months for the original amount of the bill, for the original amount of the bill plus interest at 5% per annum. Okay, plus interest, how much is the rate of interest? 5% plus discounting charges. And Vishwanath agrees to the proposal. Okay, he accepts the proposal. Now we write the journal entries in the books of Vishwanath and also in Jagannath. First, write down journal entries in the books of Vishwanath. Journal entries. Proforma of journal is date, particulars, LF number, debit amount, credit amount. Date, particulars, LF number, debit amount, credit amount. Okay, now first journal entry is bill is drawn on Jagannath. For that entry is bills receivable account data to Jagannath account. Bills receivable account data Bills receivable account data to Jagannath account. Bills receivable account data to Jagannath account. Amount is rupees 1400. Rupees 1400. Narration is being the bill drawn on. Being the bill drawn on Jagannath. In the books of Jagannath, it is a payable. Okay, it's payable to Vishwanath. For that entry is what Vishwanath account data to bills payable account. In the books of Jagannath, journal entries, date, particulars, LF number, debit amount, credit amount. LF number, debit amount, credit amount. In the books of Jagannath, bill is accepted now. For that entry is Vishwanath account data to bills payable account. Vishwanath account data to bills payable account. To bills payable account. Amount is rupees 1400. Rupees 1400. Narration is being the bill is accepted. Being the bill accepted. Next, see. Vishwanath discounts the same for rupees 1393. Okay, for this entry is what he discounts with the bank now. So for that entry is bank account data. Bank account data is how much? 1393. Discount account data to bills receivable account. To bills receivable account. Total how much is the amount? Total amount is 1400. And from this amount, how much he received? Only 1393. Remaining, how much he will receive? That 7 rupees. That 7 rupees is an a discount. Total is 1400. 1400. Being being the bill discounted. Okay, so in the books of Jagannath, no entry will come by because only Vishwana discounts this bill with the bank now. So that's why no entry for this. Next entry is Jagannath failed to honor the bill and requests Vishwanath to draw a new bill for 4 months for the original amount of the bill. Okay, he cancelled the old bill and to draw the new bill. Okay, for that entry is what? Jagannath account data to bank account. Jagannath account data is 1400 to bank account is 1400. Narration is being bill cancelled for being bill cancelled for non-payment of the bill. Being bill cancelled for non-payment. Okay, in the books of Jagannath entry is what? For being the bill dishonor or being the cancelled for non-payment of the bill. In the books of Jagannath entry is bills payable account data to Vishwanath account. Bills payable account data 1400 to Vishwanath account. Narration is same. Being bill cancelled for non-payment. Next entry is new bill for he draw the new bill for 4 months for the original amount of the bill plus interest at 5% per annum plus discount charges. For this entry is what? Next entry is for the discount and interest charges. Entry is Jagannath account data to discount to discount amount. How much is the discount amount is rupees 7 rupees, and to interest account. Now see how we calculate this interest amount. Total how much is the amount is 1400 now. So 1400 into how much is the rate of interest, 5%, that is 5 by 100. For how many months? For 4 months. 4 divided by total 12 months. Okay, we'll get 23.33. So we'll write 23 rupees. So total is how much? 30. Jagannath account data is 30. To discount account is 7 rupees. And to interest account is 23 rupees. Narration is being discount and interest being the discount and interest charged. Next is in the books of Jagannath, discount account data, is 7 rupees. Interest account data, is 7 rupees. Interest account data is 23 rupees. And to Vishwanath account, is 30. Narration is being the interest and discount accepted. Okay, next is at last what he given, interest at 5% per annum plus discount rate. Vishwanath agrees to the proposal. Just he accept the proposal. And next, what the information is did not given. Whether he payable that bill on the due date or not. Just the problem given up to the what. Vishwanath agrees to the proposal. So write journal entries up to the proposal. So for that entry is bills receivable account data, to Jagannath account. Bills receivables account data to Jagannath account. Rupees. Actual original amount is 1400 plus discount and interest charges is 30 rupees. So total is how much? 1430 and 1430. Narration is being the new bill drawn on Jagannath. being the new bill drawn on Jagannath. So in the books of Vishwanath entries, he accepted that new bill now. So for that we will write entry. Vishwanath account data to Vishwanath account data to bills payable account. To bills payable account. How much amount is 1430 and 1430. Narration is being being the new bill accepted. Okay, these are the journal entries. Suppose if this person is honored on the due date. So at that time, what is the entry? So in the books of Vishwanath, he will receive cash from the Jagannatha when he makes payment on the due date. So at that time, entry is cash account data to bills receivable account. So in the books of Jagannath, he will make the payment on the due date. At that time, entry is bills payable account data to cash account. So what is the narration? Being the bill honored on due date. Okay, so this is the journal entries in the books of Vishwanath and Jagannath. Next is see the next problem is one example problem. K having accepted a bill. K having accepted a bill drawn by L for rupees 50,000 for 3 months. Okay, 3 months due on 1st April 2016. Wishes to pay on 1st March 2016 only. Okay, and the due date is this day, but he wishes to pay on 1st March 2016 only. So L accepts rupees 48,000 in full and final settlement. Okay, he accepts how much his total is 48,000 in full and final settlement. So past journal entries in the books of K and in the books of L. So K accepted. So K is who is K? He is Roy. Bill drawn by L is a drawer. Okay. So here L accepts 48,000. So what about remaining 2,000 is discount allowed. Okay, first write down journal entries. Only for one is bill is drawn and second one is accepts that bill. In the books of L, journal entries. In the books of K. In the books of L, what is the entry? For I, bill is drawn. So on 1st January 2016, bills receivable account date are bills receivable account data is 50,000 to K account. Bills receivable account data to K account. Rupees 50,000. 50,000. Narration is, so here K is acceptance now. Being acceptance given to whom? K. Acceptance given to pay after 3 months. Pay after 3 months. This is the first entry. In the books of K, what is the entry? In the books of K, entry is same on 1st January 2016. L account data are L account data is rupees 50,000 to bills payable account. To bills payable account. L account data to bills payable account. Narration is being the bill accepted to be paid after 3 months. Being bills accepted to be paid after 3 months. Next, under this in the books of K discount na. So for that entry is 1st March 2016. Entry is bank account data. Bank account data is 48,000. Bank account data is 48,000. Discount allowed account data. Discount allowed account data is 2,000. Bank account data is 48,000. Discount allowed account data is 2,000 to bills receivable account. To bills receivable account. 50,000. Debit side 50,000. Credit side 50,000. Narration is being the drawee paid in 1 month. Drawee paid in 1 month advance. Drawee paid in 1 month advance and discount allowed. In the books of K, what is the entry? In the books of K, entry is on 1st March 2016, entry is bills payable account data. Account data is 50,000. To bank account. To bank account is 48,000. To discount received account. To bank account is 48,000. And to discount received account is 2,000. Okay. So for this narration is being bill discharged before 1 month and the discount received.
రే గుండుగా